everybody, I am back with one more topic. In this video, I am going to explain what is work-life balance and what are the reasons for the poor work-life balance and 8 ways to create a good work-life balance. First, we will discuss what is work-life balance. The name itself says that balancing our work and life. So the way how we prioritize our work and life, we have to satisfy both our career and as well as our personal life, which includes our families, friends, etc. Now we will discuss what are the reasons for the poor work-life balance. First one is increased responsibilities at the work. For example, if you are a HR executive but you have given more responsibilities to take care of the administration, to care of the employees, to take the care for the payroll, and you are the part of the strategic planning team. So as the responsibilities increases, it causes more stress in the minds of the employees. So because of the increased responsibilities at the work-life balance will be spoiled. Next one is longer working hours. For example, a person stays at a place which is very far away from the company. It almost takes 3 hours or at least 2 hours for the journey. So, which is impossible for a working woman or men to satisfy the responsibilities at their home. So, if there are long working hours, it will cause a poor work-life balance. Next one is responsibilities at home. Though you have less responsibilities at the office, if you have more responsibilities at the home. For example, if you are married, you have to look after your children, you have to look after your parents. It is a big responsibility, right? So it also one of the reasons for the poor work-life balance. Now I am going to explain what are the 8 ways to create a good work-life balance. This is in the part of the employee. What an employee can do to make his work and life a state of equilibrium. First one is vacation. If you are stressed out, this work-life balance, there is an important jargon, that is job burnout. It is a situation where the employees are stressed out. Because of the heavy responsibilities at the work, they will be stressed out. This is an important jargon in the work-life balance. So, in order to remove that stress, the employees can take leave for 3 to 2 days, then they can go for a vacation. Next one is not perfect. So, work-life balance is never a perfect. How many conditions or how many helping situations are created, but we cannot make a perfect work-life balance. We expect that work-life balance means we will complete the work within the 5 hours and then we can go out with our friends and enjoy a lot. But it will not happen. For example, when you have lots of work, it will take more time. When you have less work, it will take less time. So when there is less work, you can go with your family and friends. Next, health. Health is also the important thing in every aspect. Whether you are employed, whether you are not employed, health is very important. If you are a student or if you are any working professional, health is very important. When you focus on your health, you will be able to do more work. If you are energetic, you can do as many works as possible. Next one is unplug. For example, if the organization is not flexible, there are several organizations which are very flexible and they are friendly. They will offer many benefits such as if the woman has kids, the office will take care of the kids. There are such benefits also. So when you don't like the job or you feel stressed out or you cannot handle that stress, you can go for the other organization. You can unplug from the present organization and you can reach out to the other organizations. Next one is do the job you love. So whatever the work may be, you have to love your job. When you love your job, you don't feel any stress. For example, if you are working for 12 hours also, if the organization climate is friendly, then you can work more. Next one is boundaries. So there should be a limit for everything. The work hours should be limited, everything should be limited. So what role does an HR manager plays in creating a good work-life balance is, so he can provide flexible working hours, and the HR manager should be an inspiring one. HR manager or any manager, even though if he is an operational manager, he should inspire the employees in an organization. When he is active and if he is able to manage his both work and life, so the other employees will get inspired. See, look at him. He is very energetic. He is balancing both his work and life. They will get inspired and they will get motivated by seeing you. So HR manager should provide flexible hours at the work and provide certain facilities which satisfies the employees. And the other thing is like, you should be an inspiration for them. So these are the important things in work-life balance. What is work-life balance and what are the reasons, and 6 ways to create a better work-life balance. Thank you.